Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my math class. Please lend your ears, open your minds as we studied another fun lesson in mathematics. Our lesson for today is about illustrating the six trigonometric ratios. First, let us define trigonometry. When we say trigonometry, it is the branch of mathematics that deals with the relation between the sides and angles of a triangle. It is from the Greek words trigon meaning triangle, and metron to measure. It is literally means measurement of triangles. It is a tool used for measuring distances that cannot be directly measured. Trigonometry involves the study of angles and geometric ratios. Right triangle trigonometry. It is often used to find the length of one side or the measure of an acute angle of a right triangle. In the figure, we have triangle ABC. Hypotenuse is always the side opposite the right angle. It is the longest side of a right triangle. The side opposite an angle is called an opposite side, and the side which is also a side of the angle is called an adjacent side. In relation to angle A, the side A is an opposite side, while the side B is an adjacent. In relation to angle B, the side B is an opposite side, while the side A is an adjacent. The six trigonometric ratios. The three primary trigonometric ratios are sine, cosine, tangent. Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. The three secondary trigonometric ratios are cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. And cotangent theta is equal to adjacent over opposite. Let us cite an example. Example 1. Find the six trigonometric ratios of each of the acute angle of the given right triangle. In the figure, we have triangle ABC. In the relation to angle A, side C is the hypotenuse, which is equal to 5. Side A is the opposite side, which is equal to 3. Sine A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. In relation to angle A, the opposite is equal to 3 and the hypotenuse is equal to 5. That means sine A is equal to 3/5. Cosine A is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. In relation to angle A, the adjacent is equal to 4, while the hypotenuse is equal to 5. That makes cosine A is equal to 4/5. Tangent A is equal to opposite over adjacent. In relation to angle A, opposite is equal to 3 and the adjacent is equal to 4. That makes tangent A is equal to 3/4. Cosecant A is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. Hypotenuse is equal to 5 and the opposite is equal to 3. That makes cosecant A is equal to 5/3. Secant A is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. In relation to angle A, hypotenuse is equal to 5 and adjacent is equal to 4. That makes secant A is equal to 5/4. Cotangent A is equal to adjacent over opposite. In relation to angle A, adjacent is equal to 4 and opposite is equal to 3. That makes cotangent A is equal to 4/3. Now let us find the six trigonometric ratios of acute angle B. In relation to angle B, side A is the adjacent and side B is the opposite. Sine B is equal to 4/5. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. In relation to angle B, cosine B is equal to 3 over 5. Let's now find tangent B. Tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. In relation to angle B, opposite is equal to 4 and adjacent is equal to 3. That makes tangent B is equal to 4/3. Cosecant B is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. In relation to angle B, hypotenuse is equal to 5 and opposite is equal to 4. That makes cosecant B is equal to 5/4. Secant B is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. Hypotenuse is equal to 5 and adjacent is equal to 3. That makes secant B is equal to 5/3. And lastly, cotangent B is equal to adjacent over opposite. In relation to angle B, adjacent is equal to 3 and opposite is equal to 4. That makes cotangent B is equal to 3/4. And that concludes our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed, you learned, and you understood the lesson. If you have any questions about this lesson, feel free to comment down below your questions and please like this video